We are up there. Back to RC Brucey. Tuck and I are out here with X-Max and Max. We just built another ramp, I can see over there, so we got a little bit more of a bash area, and we're hitting the ramps today, right buddy? Yeah. All right, here we are, going for it. As you can see, even this little one here that we built today, it'll actually take the hits from the X-Max and holds up pretty good. If I could hit it straight, that would probably help. Good job, buddy.
I did it like...
These ramps that we built are turning out to be absolutely awesome. As you can see, I'm almost touching that branch up there. That's 15-20 feet easily all day, and I'm hitting it at a decent speed, but I'm not overkilling it. And excuse me, I forgot your name. I just looked at it earlier too, and I wanted to mention it. One of the guys that watched the show says excuse me, move the ramp back so you go down the hill. As you see there, I had the same thought, and we actually did it today. Excellent idea. Great minds think alike, and I thank you for commenting on the video. I want to say Julian for some reason. I'm sorry if I forgot your name. You know who you are, and I appreciate it. Good job, Tuck. Watch out, buddy. Man. Nice jump, Tuck. See, I told you that Max would do a lot better than the UDR. Tuck doesn't have the UDR out today because he broke the whole framing on the truck. Oh, they already know? Okay. I think he's a little embarrassed there, but you know. No biggie. That other ramp that we built there today, I had these quickie ramps I bought years ago that they're like a plastic, just flat. Use a piece of metal, and they you got an instant ramp. They never worked well. They always pushed around, especially for something like the X-Max. But I had more wood, so we built some more framing. Long story short, we put it all together, and that whole ramp I actually used my wife's cooking scale she uses for canning tomatoes, so don't tell her. But we actually weighed the ramp, and it was 14 pounds. So 4 foot wide, 14 pounds, and it's actually quite portable. If anybody's interested in how to build them, just let me know. Comment on the show. I get enough comments on it, I'll actually I'll do a build video on how to build the ramp and show you guys all the measurements and everything that I use. Whoa! Woo! Almost got you, buddy. Daddy's having a hard time hitting this ramp, bud. I'm off to the left or I'm off to the right. There you go, buddy. That was an excellent jump. That was perfect. Woo! Daddy missed it again. Nice job, bud.
I landed it and I missed
Let's see if I can hit this ramp straight. A little straighter.
Dad, can you put me over?
Yeah, sure, buddy. See if I can flip you over without getting stuck. Oh, we did it. That was excellent. That was epic. Oops, sorry, buddy. Come over here, Clay, for a second, buddy. Or talk, buddy. I'm sorry. Oof. Worried about hitting tuck. Ooh, man, we're like magnets right now. I can't stay away from you, dude.
I can't stay away from you. I'm not saying.
Woo! I am having a ball right now just hitting this ramp. So easy to make, pretty cheap. Wow. We are up there. Let's see if we can, Daddy can touch that tree branch with the X-Max. Close. You landed it? Big jump, buddy. What an excellent little bass spot we got set up here. Let's hope the grass holds up or that'll put an end to it, I guarantee you. One, I don't want the yard all torn up. I'm sure Mama's not gonna like it. How's that ramp working for you, buddy? Good? Nice. Almost hit the tree branches. Whoa, sorry, buddy. Man, this X-Max is getting some serious air off this ramp. Whoa, oh, sorry, bud. Huh? I know, I'm sorry. Go ahead, buddy. Good job. Whoa, that was a cool trick.